Hello and welcome to another Facts and Dimensions Spotlight Dataset. This one is monthly diagnostic waiting times and activity. You can see the description on the screen here. So what have we got? We've got data going all the way back to 2006, so over 15 years of data. And there are 45 million rows of data, so a hell of a lot of detail. These are the tables, so you can see those descriptions there. I've queried some of them, so we can have a little look what we've got. First of all, activity monthly commissioner. So that's the commissioners and the diagnostic tests, and you've got these columns here. And the diagnostic tests, there's this list here, and if I just scroll down a bit more, that's the rest of them. So you can pause the video to have a look at that. Activity monthly by provider, same thing but by provider. There's the tests again. This one is by commissioner and provider, so it's much more detailed. So you've got all the patients that went to any particular hospital split by whichever commissioner their GP practice belongs to. And in this one, you've got the diagnostic tests, and you've got these headings here. You can see all the different weeks. So 1 week wait, 2 week wait, 3 week, all the way up to 52 weeks, and then 52 plus. And you've got these extra metrics as well. And waiting times quarterly, which is obviously less frequently, as you can tell by the name, but there's a bit more detail. So you've got by area, so that's these areas here. So if you just pause the screen, you can see that. And also grouping, that's the groupings. If I just page down, that's the first page of groupings, second page, third page. And then you've got the name of test or procedure. That's actually a huge list, so I won't actually page down all of them. And we've got the wait period. Now, obviously, as I always say, ask us for a login. We'll give you a free trial for a month, and you can have a play with this and all the other thousands of tables we've got. Thanks.